Hello! So today's song is one that some of you might recognise from the Trolls movie where it was sampled in the song Hair Up. But it's actually a sample from a song called In the Hall of the Mountain King by Grieg, which is a classical piece. So we're going to start off with the A below middle C and just make sure you've got a note for each finger, and it starts running up from the A to the E, A, B, C, D, E. And it goes back to the C on the middle finger and up to the E again. So that first bit goes, and then we're going to do D sharp to B and back again, and then D to B flat and back again. So if I put all that together, the first part runs from the A down to the C and back, D sharp to B, D to B flat. And the next part starts off the same as the beginning, again running from the A up to the E. And this time when you go back to that C, instead of putting it on your middle finger, take your thumb up instead, so that you go C and then up to A on your little finger. So that's C, E, A. Okay, and then after that we're going G, E, C, and then back up past the E and G again. So from the A it's... So if I play that all the way through, just pointing out the things you need to know. So it runs up from the A, middle C, back to E, D sharp to B and back, D to B flat and back, run from the A, thumb on the middle C, E, A, and then G, E, C, and back up, E, G. So if I play that up to speed all together, this is what it should sound like. And that's it. So if you enjoyed that one, if you could hit the like button, that would be great. And you can also subscribe and see more of my videos by hitting the buttons that are flashing up on the screen now. Have fun!